And topping our newscast, we finally have a response from University Medical Center about this video of a nurse who appears to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. In this video, it appears the syringe is actually empty and the plunger at the top has already been depressed. That was about 2 in the afternoon yesterday. Now UMC is beginning to answer the questions we've been asking for more than 24 hours, but has yet to explain what actually happened. KFOX 14 News at 5's Gabrielle Caracciolo is live in South Central El Paso with what UMC administrators are saying about what happened.
Well, I was here at UMC when the first group of nurses received the coronavirus vaccine. And when going over the video, we noticed something appeared to be wrong. So we reached out to UMC to ask what happened in the video. And that was before our 5 p.m. newscast yesterday. And yesterday, multiple people in our newsroom also reached out throughout the evening. Finally, around 2:30 this afternoon, UMC sent a statement saying the nurse was revaccinated today, but has not said if he was vaccinated at all yesterday, and why the video of his experience looks different from that of the other nurses. Take a look at the original video in question. The UMC healthcare worker rolls up his sleeve and at first glance appears to receive dose 1 of the Pfizer coronavirus vaccine. But upon closer review, it appears as though the syringe is empty and no vaccine was injected. Now let's take a look at one of the other nurses receiving the vaccine for comparison. I've paused it right before the needle is placed in her arm. Let's zoom in and take a look. Notice this black line at the bottom of the plunger. You can see it move lower as the vaccine was injected. Moving back to the nurse in question, the black line starts already at the bottom of the syringe. But when I took this picture of the syringes before they were administered, it looks as though none of the plungers have yet been depressed. I spoke with Ricardo Martinez yesterday after this event, but before any discrepancy was realized. He told me it was an honor and privilege to be one of the first in El Paso to get the vaccine.
Feels like a little relief that we're finally going to get some help. We're going to get some vaccines. Hopefully it'll help because it's been a lot of work for everybody, not only that, but the community. Suffering so many deaths and so many people sick. You see it every day. It's horrible.
But now comparisons of the way his shot was administered versus the way the other 4 shots were done are bringing all that into question. Mainly, why does the syringe appear to already be empty before the shot was administered? We asked UMC if the nurse in question received the same syringe as the first nurse. A spokesperson replied, "That is not what that means." We later followed up asking, what does it mean? And whenever we do get an answer, we will share it with you on our KFOX 14 social media pages as well as on air. We've also reached out to the healthcare worker in the video, but have not heard back. I'm live in South Central El Paso. Gabrielle Caracciolo, KFOX 14 News at 5.